Okay, so it hasn't been exactly the most productive flying day. Pilot error, ESC errors, and some other stuff. Now, what we're looking at right now is the FPV 900mm TechOne wing sent to me by Motion RC, and we're going to go for a quick flight. No FPV, but I got an onboard camera, my hat cam, normal hat cam, and battery failed, so I'm sorry about this audio if it's windy. It is what it is, but let's go flying. Alright, this thing has a T motor on it and is very aggressive to fly, so we're going to do a quick flight around here. I find it a little noisy, to be honest, but it's a hoot, so hang on tight. Took off so smooth. What a noisy creature, but boy, it moves. Oh, this is going to be fun FPV later on. Nice settings, smooth. You don't need to drive it full stick. I'm actually getting a little bit of nose-up attitude. That could be the wind, though. It slows down really good. Nice roll rates. Ah, this thing is crazy. Okay. Nice glide. There we go. That's all we need. Flew something successfully.